Hi, my name is Ada, and I would like to give you a brief presentation of KlikSheet, an innovating extension. KlikSheet is an integrated spreadsheet inside Qlik environment with an Excel-like interface. It merges data from Qlik and processes it in a spreadsheet, similar to Excel, retaining all Excel functionalities while also can use Qlik's filters. But let's have a closer look. To start, let me explain how this idea came about. All BI tools offer the capability to export data to Excel. The reason for this feature is clear, but it also introduces certain problems when users put them back inside the BI software. Here is an example using a company's financial data. Here we see a Qlik application integrated with the KlikSheet extension. We drag and drop it like a new object and without altering the dimensions. Next, we will copy the data from a Qlik object and paste it into the spreadsheet. From the Options menu, we choose the KlikSheet Data Selector functionality. A Copy Data button appears, and we pick the object we want to copy data from. We then paste it into the KlikSheet object like this. And here you go! We just turned this object into an Excel type of spreadsheet, having on board all the Excel type of functionalities and will be inside Qlik environment. Now, let's see what else we can do. That was just the beginning. First, let's see how to design this layout and how spreadsheet functionalities interact with the original Qlik object. Let's insert first a table. And set also the headers, like this. Yep, now it looks better. Then, we will compute the variance between the pipeline revenue and the plan revenue. Let's say that those two initially are the same. So the variance is 0, right? And let's apply the same for the rest of the lines. Like this. Now let's change some values and see what happens. We will change some values under the plan revenue. And we see that the variance changed as expected. So we change those three values, and now we want to apply these data inside the rest Qlik objects of this application. Under the Options menu, we choose KlikSheet Write Back and Partial Reload. And here you go! The graph now incorporates the variance we inserted manually before. And now, they are part of the Qlik's data pool. We can see them inside the applied filters, and we can change them again if needed. Like this, we secure the data integrity, eliminating the need to create and maintain external spreadsheets, where something may go wrong, and have one and common shared version of truth. We can apply Qlik filters on every data we incorporate manually inside a spreadsheet, and speed up and improve the reporting process like this. And include over 300 Excel type of functions applied on individual cells or entire sheets, and enabling users to perform ad hoc calculations. So what do you think? Would you like to know more about KlikSheet? Would be nice to have a feedback from you.